Email marketing. It's the lifeblood of any successful business, but navigating the world of email marketing tools can feel like wandering through a maze. So many options. Which one is right for you? Trust me, I've been there. As a small business owner, you wear many hats. You're juggling a million things at once. The last thing you need is a complicated email platform that adds to your stress. You need something user-friendly, effective, and affordable. That's where AWeber comes in. It's a breath of fresh air in a crowded market. It's designed with small and medium-sized businesses in mind. AWeber makes email marketing simple, even if you're a complete beginner. AWeber is an email marketing platform that helps you connect with your audience and grow your business. It's like having a marketing assistant at your fingertips 24/7. No more struggling with clunky interfaces or confusing features. AWeber focuses on what matters most, building relationships with your subscribers. It provides the tools you need to create engaging emails, automate your marketing, and track your results. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, AWeber has something for you. It offers a range of plans to fit your budget and business needs. No matter your level of expertise, AWeber makes email marketing accessible to everyone. AWeber is packed with features to streamline your email marketing efforts. Let's take a look at some of the key tools. Create beautiful emails in minutes with AWeber's intuitive drag-and-drop editor. No coding skills needed. Choose from a library of pre-designed templates or start from scratch. Save time and effort with AWeber's powerful automation features. Set up automated email sequences to nurture leads. Welcome new subscribers and more. Capture leads and grow your email list with AWeber's landing page builder. Create high-converting landing pages that integrate seamlessly with your email campaigns. Track the performance of your email campaigns with AWeber's detailed analytics. See open rates, click-through rates, and more. Use this data to improve your campaigns and get better results. Divide your subscribers into smaller groups based on their interests and behaviors. This allows you to send more targeted and relevant emails, which leads to higher engagement. Connect AWeber with your favorite tools and apps, such as WordPress, Shopify, and more. This makes it easy to manage your marketing from one central location. Section 4. My AWeber experience from skeptic to believer. I'll admit, I was a bit skeptical at first. I'd tried other email marketing platforms in the past, and they left me feeling overwhelmed and frustrated. But AWeber surprised me. It was incredibly easy to use, even for someone like me who's not exactly a tech whiz. Setting up my account was a breeze. AWeber walked me through each step, from creating my first email list to designing my first campaign. The drag-and-drop email builder was a game changer. I was able to create professional-looking emails in minutes without any design experience. But what impressed me most was AWeber's automation features. I set up an automated welcome sequence for new subscribers, and it's been running smoothly ever since. It's like having a virtual assistant, welcoming new subscribers and introducing them to my business 24/7. AWeber's analytics dashboard is also fantastic. I can see exactly how my email campaigns are performing and make adjustments as needed. The insights I've gained from AWeber's analytics have helped me to improve my open rates, click-through rates, and ultimately, my bottom line. Section 5. Weighing the scales. AWeber's strengths and limitations. Like any tool, AWeber has its pros and cons. Here's an honest look at both strengths, ease of use. AWeber is incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners. Powerful automation. Automate your email marketing with ease. Affordable pricing. AWeber offers a range of plans to fit any budget. Excellent customer support. AWeber's customer support team is top-notch. Limitations, limited design flexibility. While the drag-and-drop builder is great, it does have some limitations in terms of design customization, fewer advanced features. Compared to some other platforms, AWeber offers fewer advanced features, such as advanced segmentation and A/B testing. Overall, AWeber is an excellent email marketing platform for small and medium-sized businesses. It's easy to use, affordable, and packed with features to help you grow your business. Ready to elevate your business? You can experience the power of AWeber too. Sign up through our page and enjoy an exclusive 10% monthly discount on your subscription. Just click the link in the description to unlock this special offer. As a loyal user myself, I can personally vouch for how AWeber has transformed my business. It's been an incredible tool and I highly recommend it. Don't miss out. Sign up now through the link below. Ready to elevate your email marketing game? Give AWeber a try. You won't be disappointed.